Yo, what's up guys? It's Goofybuilt, and today we're doing our first neon build actually for the man Jamie. He's such a busy guy and he works on the neons around here, tunes them, does all this stuff, and I do most of the Honda stuff, but I help him every now and then. And I mean, it's just an engine. I can build an engine, build lots of engines. So we're gonna build a neon today for Jamie. We got our pistons here, Wiseco, some manly rods, King race bearings. Kind of a regular build for us, just the usual stuff. I mean, I even do that. That's the usual for me and a lot of the B-Series Hondas. Look at Steven. But it's pretty sick that the first job that we get to use the new toolbox on. First neon engine Goofybuilt busts out. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's sick. So we got the first piston all gapped. Here she is, 21 and 22. Intake reliefs, exhaust reliefs. Goofybuilt's first SRT-4, boys. Alright, so I've got the second rod on the second piston here. And while I was over here, I threw another sticker on there. You know, brought some here. Got some more to throw down on the new box. Got the clips in. It's not easy, but I'll show a little bit on it. They're a pain. So we're just cranking along. Everyone's busting stuff out. I just had to film because Sean's filming, so. But so, I got another one in there. Getting it done. We got one left. We're gapping the top ring now. Just got to get it to 21. That's what we got here. 21 thousandths. All ringed out. And on the rod, everything's set. We get some lube on our bearing. So I just put a twin disc in that car, but what I wanted to show you guys is, since you read right to left, Goofybuilt's first SRT4. Oh yeah. Pretty sick, huh? So I'm pretty stoked about that. Busted that up for Jamie since he's such a busy guy, you know. And that's an SRT4 short block, guys. This is Goofybuilt. Peace out.